In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix connection is not private in Google Chrome. If you're getting blocked by Google while browsing and you're getting notified that your connection is not private, this is how you can fix it. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then scroll till you find settings. Click on settings. Another settings, you want to click on privacy and security. Under the privacy and security, you want to scroll down a little and you're going to see security. Click on security and then scroll down to advanced. Under advanced, you're going to see always use secure connection. Use HTTP whenever possible and get warned before loading sites that don't support it. The reason being that you might be visiting a site that is HTTP and your security is turned on to only allow websites that load HTTPS websites. You want to toggle off on this and then go back to the web page. So that's how you can fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe.